Hey guys, what's up? Oh my god, I can't do this anymore. You guys can't literally see me. So, what if I don't want to be seen? You know what I mean? I don't know how to do this. I don't have sun in my room. So we're just gonna go like this. Hey guys, what's up? Yes, I'm using my soft pocket thingy. I woke up. I did yoga. Well, right in the middle of yoga, and I was thinking, what if my subscribers slash viewers slash no one gives a fuck about my freaking channel about yoga. So I don't have this wide thing to do with it, but I want to get a camera, and you know how much camera costs, and it's like, But don't worry, I'm gonna be that YouTuber that use their phone until I get a freaking camera. Yeah. With a memory stick theme card. Yeah, I'm just checking in on you. Tired as hell. I'm gonna make videos. I'm making videos like 2 times a day now. So, yeah. Anyways, yep. Oh, I finally got it. So, how am I gonna put you like this? Ooh, I know. Record. Think it's long enough. Okay, hold on. Perfect. Okay, that's it. I can't handle this. I'll be right back. Oh my god. Gonna fit right here then? No, just right there. Alright, that's okay. That's okay. Ugh. Oh, I guess I have to sit on my knees then. That's okay. Yes, I am wearing my pajamas. I'm taking a shower after yoga. So anyways, we're playing with fidgets. Okay? I'll be right back. Where's my fidget things? Alright, I only got 2 fidgets. Oh. I have to be on my knees. Totally forgot. 2 fidgets. You know, these. Hold on. Magnets. That's a little dark. I'm not good at this. I'm never good at anything. Yes, my hair is a mess because I didn't. Fuck. Because I didn't take a shower. Oh. So, these, that they just go like this and twirl around like a fidget. My friend really hates this. Alright. And then get the ring. Ring. Because you know how chicks or like dudes just everyone just go like this, like spin the ring around. Yeah. Well. Oh, hold on. Okay, I got something. Right. I'm gonna be like this. You know, I know this is a belt, but still, you know those, like, sweatshirts that they have the little string things that hang? I always used to go like this for, like, a fidget. Or sometimes I, like, go like that. Mostly everyone does it. And then there's a ponytail that just, if you had a thingy and you just go like this. Yeah. Oh, and then the pen that just go like this. Could be a fidget, but don't keep going like this. That's annoying as fuck. Chewing gum could do it too. Keychains. Bracelets. But if you're at somewhere professionally, like something very, very quiet, just play around with your ring under the table and just like, I don't have my ring on. Yeah, that's about it. And that's the video of the day. Just kidding, I got two. Anyways, so I don't know what should be my outro yet, but we're still getting there. Alright, I gotta go because it's almost time up. I don't edit my video. I don't edit my videos. I never did, I never have. I don't know how to do that yet. So, yeah. Bye.